Everybody just calm down.
Busy! Whoa! What's going on, my little friends? How are y'all doing today? Are y'all ready for story time? Yay! In this special episode, we have to save Busy. We gotta save him from the Rona, everybody. But hold up, my little friends. Before we get started, we gotta protect ourselves. Whoa! Guess what, y'all? Before we interact and try to find Busy, make sure we put on our protective mask and our gloves. Whoa! And guess what? This should be the color of the day. It's yellow. Everyone say yellow? Yellow. Good job, good job. Our first song of the day is 5 Enormous Dinosaurs. Hold your hands up like this. Here we go. I have 5 enormous dinosaurs letting out a roar. One went away and there were 4. 4 enormous dinosaurs climbing up a tree. One went away and there were 3. 3 enormous dinosaurs eating tiger stew. One went away and there were 2. 2 enormous dinosaurs trying to run and run. One went away and there were 1. 1 enormous dinosaur afraid to be a hero. He went away and there was 0. Good job, good job. Busy, Busy. Hey, my little friends, the buzzword of the day is distance. Can we say distance? Distance. But hold up, to protect ourselves, we're gonna add the social with the distance. We have to practice social distancing to protect ourselves from the Rona. Come on, my little friends. Guess what, y'all? If you spot Busy while I'm looking for him, to save him from the Rona, you get 5 Busy points every time you see Busy. Let's find Busy! My little friends, there goes Busy! Let's save Busy! Let's go! Hold up, everybody. Remember to practice our social distancing. Let's go! Rhoda, let go of Busy! All you're gonna do is just make people sick, and we don't like being sick. Let go of Busy! I got a special song for you, Rhoda, and it's called Can You Wash Your Daddy's Shirt? Are y'all ready? Yay! Can you wash your daddy's shirt? Can you wash it clean? Can you wash your daddy's shirt and bleach it off the green? Yes, I can wash my daddy's shirt. Yes, I can wash it clean. Yes, I can wash my daddy's shirt and send it to the queen. Yeah! No! Hey, Busy, man. Whoa, hold up, Busy. Everybody just calm down. Remember, we gotta practice our social distancing. I ain't gonna hold you, Busy. You looking real dirty. You need to self-quarantine. Let's go. Whoa, it's been 14 days, Busy, since you quarantined. You look good, dude, man. I'm so glad that you recovered. Come on, buddy, get a little closer. Our story of the day is Dinosaur versus the Potty by Bob Shay. Yeah, Busy, it's time, Busy. I'm so glad you're back, man. Roar! I'm a dinosaur! Roar! I don't need to use the potty. Everyone say roar, roar, roar! Roar, roar, roar! Dinosaur versus making lemonade? Everyone say roar, roar, roar! Roar, squeeze, roar! Roar! Dinosaur wins. It doesn't need to use the potty. Everyone say roar, roar, roar! Roar, roar, roar! Dinosaur versus splashing in a sprinkler? Busy! Sing along with me! Let's roar! Everyone say roar, roar, roar. Roar, roar, roar. Dinosaur versus a 3-juice box lunch. Roar, roar, roar. Chomp, sieve, roar. Uh-oh. Dinosaur wins. And no, he doesn't need to use the potty. Everyone say roar, roar, roar. Roar, roar, roar. Dinosaur versus water in his pretend well. Everyone go roar, roar, roar. Roar, roar, roar. Spray. Roar, spray. Roar. Uh-oh. Dinosaur wins again. You think he'll need to use the potty, but he says he doesn't. Everyone say roar, roar, roar. Roar, roar, roar. Dinosaur versus, I wonder what's gonna happen next, y'all. Splashing in rainbows. Everyone go roar, roar, roar. Roar, roar, roar. Roar, splash, jump, roar. Busy, you're roaring loud enough. Hey, you done recovered from that cold now. Dinosaur wins. Uh-oh, roar, roar, roar. It does a victory dance. Roar, roar. Ooh, wait a second. That's not a victory dance. Roar. That looks like a... Uh-oh. Potty dance! Roar! 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 Run, dinosaur, run! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Roar! Roar! Can he make it, y'all? Roar! 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 Can he make it to the potty in time? Uh-oh. The potty wins. Close one, dinosaur. Real, real close. The end. Yay!
Free King Vision.